Hi, thanks for tuning in to another episode of The Spiritual Scientist. I'm Victor Hamza. Thanks for checking me out. So, I'm driving to work again and just thought I'd talk to you real quick. Only got a minute. And thought I'd talk to you about superposition and the quantum entanglement and multiverse theory real quick as I'm driving. And again, apologize for the camera angle and the lights and all that other stuff, but I'm just a busy dude. I'm going to try to do a nice video maybe later. But anyway, just thought I'd leave you some quick ideas. Just driving to work and I had it, so I thought I'd grab my phone about quantum entanglement. So it's never made really sense for people when they see quantum entanglement and quantum computers and how do these quantum bits, how do they entangle with each other. And I was just thinking that from a multiverse theory, that these would be the same particles. So when you take two particles and you entangle them, what you're really doing is those two particles end up being the same particle. So it's the same particle, but you're just viewing it from different, separate multiverse perspectives. But in actuality, those are the same particle and have always been the same particle. But from your point of view, because you have a multiverse view, you're seeing them as separate particles. That's my idea and the idea that I wanted to share, because those two particles end up being in the same multiverse, in the same verse, if you will. And when they're in the same verse, of course, when you spin one, the other one spins the same way, no matter how far distantly you have each particle, because they're the same particle, but they're being interacted with different multiverses at that point. So your perspective would be multiversal perspective, and then from the particle's perspective, it's always been just one particle. So if something interacts with it in one multiverse, it spins one way and does something, and if something happens in another multiverse, then it spins the other way. And from our point of view, we're seeing two particles, but in actuality, it's the same particle. It's just in a different, it's the same but different multiversic perspective. So I thought I'd share that little insight I had, and maybe that'll help bridge the gap for a lot of people about all these things that I've been talking about, because it's all a matter of, again, perspective. Thanks so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, share. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.